Hi everyone! As you liked a lot our last giant fidget, we decided to try to make another very cool fidget. Don't miss the result! Today we make a giant squishy with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. To make this fidget we will need several sheets of paper, scissors, big tape, a pencil, paint, and a brush of course. Let's begin! To get a super big fidget, we're going to put 2 sheets of paper together with a little bit of tape. We cut off the excess tape and continue. We could have put more paper, but we don't know if it would have fit in the camera. Maybe it wouldn't have recorded anything, so 2 sheets of paper was enough for us. Now we can make the design that we want for a squishy. In the channel we've already made a strawberry, Gato rainbow and Gata moon, and a sardine squishy. And now it's time for the butterfly! As you can see, it's really big. I'm sure it will be a super fun squishy. And as always, we invite you to let your imagination fly and make the design that you like the most. Here we have our pencil drawing ready. So let's paint it with tempera, although any paint that you have will do. We always tell you that this part is our favorite of all the crafts that we do, because it relaxes us a lot. How about you? By the way, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload a new one every week. Oh, and here I forgot about the characteristic dots that our butterfly has on its wings. So, in a moment we have them done and ready. Now we paint them yellow to make them stand out. And while I paint my butterfly carefully, tell us in the comments what you would like us to do for our next video. Do you want us to start with the Christmas stuff? We are really looking forward to it. We read you! We finished painting the butterfly, and now we have to be patient and let it dry completely. And we're going to make the outline of the butterfly's body with a permanent marker. But I'm not very patient, so I started with the next step when it still had a little while to dry completely. But well, the marker didn't have to go through the parts where the paint was still wet, so nothing happened. Everything's under control. We make the details of the body. The outline of the 2 wings. And we cannot forget the antenna. Perfect. And now that everything has dried perfectly, we're going to put tape on top covering the whole drawing. This way we protect our drawing so that when we squeeze it, the squishy doesn't get damaged. That's it. Now we're going to put another 2 pieces of paper together behind, so that they're the same size as the papers on which we made our drawing. And we're going to join them with another piece of tape on top. We just don't want them to move, and we want them to be perfectly symmetrical when we cut them out. And now we're going to cut it out carefully. Without cutting the top, since it's where the papers are taped. And now that everything is cut out, we can also cut the part of the antenna, which is the most delicate. Here, if you make this same design for your squishy, take your time to get it right. And now we're going to prepare the squishy. For that we're going to join the front butterfly with the back one with small pieces of tape. And we're going to make small cuts along the tape like this. And now carefully we're going to throw them back so that they stick to the paper we had cut out. And we're going to do the same all around the contour of our drawing, sticking pieces of tape, cutting it, and sticking it backwards. This way we will have a kind of sack where we can put the filling of our squishy. Our advice is that whatever design you make, take small pieces of tape so that the finish is better and your squishy doesn't open anywhere. Think that it has to be quite resistant so that whatever you put inside doesn't come out when you squeeze it a little. Now when we have almost all the butterfly closed, we're going to leave a last hole open to put the filling. As you can see, it's kind of an envelope and the front and the back butterflies are very well glued. And in this case we wanted to put plushy stuffing because we love the results of the squishies with this inside. We're going to put it in little by little so that it doesn't break. And we're going to push it to all sides of the butterfly so that it is well filled. If you don't have this at home, you can use cotton or any filling that you can think of. We finish filling it. And we repeat the process for the last time, putting the tape, cutting it, and sticking it backwards. It's perfect! And listen to how our giant squishy sounds, we love it! It looks great, doesn't it? Although we could have made it even bigger. Should we give it a try? Let us know in the comments what you think of this giant butterfly squishy. We read you! And as every week, it's time for the round of greetings. This week there are 4. Yuvinka, another one for Sharon, another one for Valeria, another greeting for Berta, another one for Nicole, and last but not least, another one for Francisco. Thank you all for watching our videos. If you want us to send you a greeting too, just ask us in the comments. See you next week with a new idea. And remember that this video is already available in Spanish on our channel. Bye!